now that I've blended and oh my god, are you kidding me? Great. Make noise. Make noise. Irritating people. Yeah. So all of them have decided to disturb me today. Hi guys, my name is Priyanka Ashok. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing few products. I had collected a few products for some time. Now I decided to put it all in one video and review it. But then now I feel like I should just not mix too much. So I'm gonna make another review video on the rest of the products. Today I am reviewing two products that I bought on my own. It was during a sale on Purple, and there's another product that my friend gifted me from her trip back to the US, I guess. It's so sweet of her. Thank you so much. Yeah, so today's video I will be reviewing these two products. I'm gonna be really honest, and I'll try my best to give you all the best review possible so that you all can go ahead and buy it. So yeah, let's not talk too much and get into the video. But before that, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so let's get started. And here there are two products that I have paid for, and apart from that I have another product that my friend had got. This is what it is. It is the Estee Lauder's eyeshadow palette. So I thought I'll review this now. Just because my friend has got it, I will not just be telling you good stuff. I will definitely tell you if I like it and like what about it that I like and what I don't. Okay, so just to be fair, and I'll be talking about two products that I had ordered and like I paid for. I got it on Purple. There was a sale sometime a month ago or something, and I had got two products from Blue Heaven. These were the new launches. This was the Blue Heaven's eyeliner. It is a felt tip liner, and this is the Blue Heaven's beauty blender. Oh my god, the Blue Heaven's beauty blenders are so hyped about. I don't know why, and I wanted to test it. Like, if it's so good, then why spend so much money on beauty blenders, man? They get spoiled so fast. So I was like, "ठीक है, chalo, let's just see." Blue Heaven's beauty blenders so talked about at one time, and I checked for so long. They were out of stock, and I think they had discontinued their old design. They have come up with a new design. This is what it looks like. I really like the color. It is so cute. It's like a, what would you call this? Purple, light purple, lilac. Okay, it's like a lavender or a lilac color, and I really like it. It is so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. Like, I've used so many different beauty blenders by now, like Forever 21, and I don't know a few others. There's this one I used to use. I got it from Smitten, but it is good, but it's not so like soft. Like, it's not so squishy. Like, see, there's so much, like, this is the max it'll squish. So it still worked, but I think let's see how this one works. I haven't used it yet. The liner, I have definitely used it, like you all saw it in my last video, and it is good. Okay, so let's start off. We'll do a very simple makeup look today. Like, I'll try to do like a smoky eye, very basic, or maybe let's just see, let's play around with this and see, and then we will decide as we go through it. I'm using the Johnson's Baby Cream. I have a very dry face, so I have to use like a good amount of cream so that my skin doesn't start acting crazy and I don't feel irritated. Since nowadays it's been so hot, so it's already annoying. So let me warm up my cream, and okay, just apply some on the hands. I'm gonna apply some concealer, and I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I would want to use the other one, but I think this will be fine for now. Let's apply some concealer, very little bit, like really little. So while you're talking about that, this palette has a mirror, so that's cute, and their name has been written. Very little concealer. I'm trying to keep the makeup look very light today. Okay, so I just want to cover some darkness I have lightly. Okay, then we will blend. We'll see how the blender works. So let's start blending. I'm going to use the blender. Hmm. Is it soaking product? Yeah, it is soaking some product. It is soaking quite a bit, but it's not crazy yet. I have had blenders that do worse. This shape is just, I don't know. Let's just keep going. The shape goes in the corners, but it's kind of hard to get it under the eye. I don't know if that's just me. Like, I'm not gonna use a blender like this. So they have they have this side though. I can try that. Yeah, yeah. Sorry. So this side has this tiny little cut, so that one helps in getting in the concealer, the creases area under your eye. So that is good. I was just trying to like do it with the other side. It's really hard. It has soaked up some product, as you all can see. Very little though, like here, there are like 2-3 spots. It has soaked up, but it's not crazy. It's I still have my face pretty concealed. Okay, nice. Let's just once apply some powder on the eyelids. Let's just do that. So as you all can see, the palette comes with a mirror. Okay, and they have like very what would I say, like party, like evening party kind of shades. These are like these smoky eye kind of shades. Like you can go with this dark smoky eyes kind of shades. So evening dates, parties, all of that, anything, it'll just work for y'all. So this is that kind of an eyeshadow palette, sorry. So let's just see what we come up with. Since I will swatch all these colors on my hand once and I will post a picture, but I don't think I'll be using all these shades on my eye. I'll try my best to use as many as possible. I am not very good at these smoky eye stuffs, but I will try my best. Let's just see. First of all, I'm going to go with, since I've already powdered, I'm not going to use the light shade. I just want to go with this beige color. What is the shade called? One second. Okay, there are no names. It's just shade 09. The shade 9. It's a very handy palette, man. It's so cute. Like if you all are going somewhere, just pop it in your purse and then, or bags, and then just, but it'll even fit in your pocket. I really like it. This is so soft. The eyeshadows, they are so soft. I don't know what shade to apply. Maybe I'll just use this shade and this one, or this and this. I just want to use like these two colors and see how it goes. Even this, I think even this shade is matte. I'm not sure. Oh yeah. Okay. Lol. There are more matte shades, man. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 shades that are matte, and the rest are shimmers. I think even this is matte. Yeah, this is also matte. No, shimmer. Maybe, I don't know. I think I should go for the blue. What do you think? These shades are so light. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do blue. Okay, I'm gonna go with the blue, and then probably we'll pop in this icy shade or this silver on the inner corner, and then we will finish the look. So I'm just gonna take the same brush, tap some blue, and we will put it on the outer corner of the eyelid. Okay, tap off the excess, and here, let's just see how I do it. I'm gonna place the color here. Maybe I should use a harder brush. Like it's showing up very lightly. So probably you have to build this color. It'll take time though. So basically I'm trying to keep the color very dark closer to the lash line, and then as it fades out. They have very light pigment, so like these very subtle looks, not crazy looks. Take the other blending brush that you first used, just clean off the Let me just clean off the blue that was. I'm just taking the same beige color or taupe color, you'd say, and I'm gonna blend it on the upper side. Let's pop in some blue. Let's see which blue though. This is like an icy shade, almost silver, and this is a blue. I think I will go with this blue itself. We'll see if it's not looking. I can pack another. I'll pack the other color on top. So I don't think you need to cut crease and all with this. See, it's showing up. Like, it's pretty much showing up. I'm trying to keep it like this simple look. So I love the shimmers. It is so nice. It's just showing exactly how much it should be. So I'm using this shade. This is shade 06. Shade number 6. And yeah, I think it's, yeah, oh my god, it looks so good. Like, I don't know about camera, but in person it's looking very nice. I've concluded already. I love the shimmers from this palette. I've already applied this shade 06. I want to apply some shade number 2 on the inner corner. Let's see how it will show. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Oh my god, these shimmers are so freaking pretty. I like it. Let's just do the other eye and I will come right back. Okay, so I'm back and I really like how simple yet classy yet pretty it's looking. I just popped in a little more shimmer on the inner side. The matte shades take some time to show up, like you have to keep building it, but the shimmer shades, like, bang on. They have a very good color payoff. Let's apply some eyeliner and then I will go to the foundation and then we'll just finish off the face. We will talk about the product in the end. Let's apply some eyeliner. Okay. Okay, so I've applied the eyeliner. This eyeliner is so black. It's so black, like I can't tell y'all. I will talk about it in the end, obviously. So let's just wait. I'm just gonna apply some eyeshadow at the lower lash line. The dark shade, that is the only like blue shade. Just putting it on the lower lash line. Okay, and just very lightly. Like, I don't want to intensify it too much and I don't want to pull it down too much right now. Okay, yeah, I think I like it. Let's go ahead and apply some foundation. Let's just finish the face and we will talk about the 3 products overall and it'll be that. Like, I have taken so much foundation. I usually apply so much and I'm going so little by little, and oh my god, this blender, it has not soaked up, like, literally not even half I've used. Like, itna sara is on my hand and obviously it's gonna get wasted now. It's not soaking up any product. Like, it is like very little though, but that is still okay. Like, my other blenders have drank my foundation by now. Oh, why didn't this product stay in the market? I don't know why. I was trying to get my hands on it for almost 7 to 8 months now, and I was like, why has Blue Heaven stopped their beauty blenders? I want to try it. But finally, anyways, see, like, the shape is so easy to get in some regions, and the other side has this chota sa cut, so you can get in like here and all that. Let's apply powder. Let's see how it works with the powder, just to show you all how it's done. Okay, so people with oily skin, make sure just place a lot of powder. I'm placing little because I don't have oily skin. Place a lot of powder, like, just like this, like literally like this. Yeah, so place a lot of powder, keep it in for some time, and dust it off after you finish doing the rest of your face. You can use a brush. I don't know, I prefer using this. Since it has a very neat tip, I think it works. You see? I think my foundation shade is a little changed. I don't know why, but whatever. Please apply foundation till if your foundation shade is a little lighter. Okay, I'm just gonna use I'm just gonna use this color. We'll see if I can just do some contour from it. Yeah, like slightly. Yes, I can. That's the work, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is the final look that we have come up with all the products that we have bought and we've got. So I really love how it's looking. This is my first time probably attempting this kind of an eye look, like using these kind of like delicate shades. I just paired it up with whatever lipstick I felt is looking good. Like, let's not go on how the look is, please. It was just a testing video, so we'll talk about the products. So coming to the blender, first of all, it retails for 175 rupees. Yeah, so it retails for 175 rupees, and this is how it looks. So yeah, I already showed you all, and this blender, my god, is by far the best blender I have used. It is so soft, it is so comfortable on the skin. It's just not like I don't feel like I'm hitting myself. It's so nice, and the shape, there's a tiny cut here, as you all can see, helps you get into the like concealer areas under your eye and all of that. And this one helps you like apply the foundation under your chin and your all of those stuff. So I really like how this is, and I like the color. It's cute, it's squishy, it's comfortable, it's pretty cheap. I got it for just 110 rupees, I think, because it was on sale when I ordered it. I think you should buy this, and you will really like it. So that's my thought on the blender. Coming to the eyeliner, this is how it looks. This is how the sketch, like the felt tip looks. It is very easy to get a precise line with this. Like, see, like it's pretty intense. It's matte. See, I just applied it and it's like dry. It's dry. It is dark. I think you can get a darker shade, but for this price, it's decent, man. I like it. I don't mind. It does not get into those tiny skin. See, like it does not move. It gets really dark. So yeah, are there better eyeliners than this in the market? Yes, obviously, definitely there are, but this one's so cheap, man, and I just got it for 90 bucks on that sale. It's originally around 225, and after sale I think you'll get it for 150, but that day there was more sale and I got it for 90 bucks. So that's that about the liner. It's good, it's intense, it's waterproof. It is waterproof. So coming to the eyeshadow palette, I like the shimmer shades more than the matte shades. The matte shades are also good, but it takes some time to build them and until the color shows up. So still, I really like the palette. I like the color scheme. It's decent. I like it. I don't really have such a unique set of colors, so it's nice to have something for an evening look completely. So these are my thoughts on these products. So I hope it was helpful to you all, and yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.